Oh. Just getting my day going. Told myself I wouldn't stream in the morning. And here I am. Good morning, Ivan. Good morning. Told myself I wouldn't. I'm only going to stream for a little bit today in the morning, and then I'll be back in the afternoon. That's the deal. I just want to trade kind of the open and deal. I just want to trade kind of the
We'll see what
open.
happens.
But hopefully, what up, Donald? Hopefully, we come out strong. I'm already up a bunch. What up, Enrique? I traded after hours yesterday, sometime between 6:30, I think 6. I was posting in the Discord that it looked weak. The market dropped. Obviously, I made gains. I mean, I'm done with probably this account for the day. So I just got some of the other ones. That was a good hit to start the but yeah, I was just talking about how it looks weak, how we're gonna drop, and then if you didn't watch it, this happened. I caught some of this, and then I caught a little bit of that, and then I was done. I wish I did it with more accounts, but it is what it is. What up, sleeper? Good morning, Donovan. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, just having my coffee. It was funny. Yesterday, I took puts on a bunch of these Chinese stocks. It's about to pay. Daddy's about to get paid today. Today's going to be one of those good days for me. I showed you guys the screenshot. I think I lost. Well, I didn't lose. My account was just down $1,800 yesterday. We'll just say I'm going to be getting all of that back plus interest as soon as this opens. Oh, I wrote some A&D puts. That should probably pay pretty well at open. I might hold those. Oh man, my coffee. Trying to make it. Trying to make it. Oh, I just got the chills. I honestly thought this was going to dump. Trading below the 34 just kind of looked like it was going to roll. Let's see what happens here. Bum, bum, bum. I will be trading. I probably should bring my quant tower over to this main screen. I'm going to be trading one account for the open, and that's going to be a 150K account with fast track. And I'm kind of just going to do the same stuff I was doing. Prior, but now I have kind of a bigger wiggle room. So we're going to play around. Can I bring? Yeah, I got this. So this is what what up, Kellyanne? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Just had my coffee. I figured I'd jump on the stream for a little bit. Oh, I've been testing out the playing the open. Basically the open, the 5 and the 15 for so I got one account here I'm just gonna play around with. I'm not trading any of my other stuff. There's no news today. Actually, you know what? You just reminded me to look at it. You know what, though? Kellyanne, you trade options or anything? Or you stick to prop firms? I'm trying to get a couple people that I know that trade options to kind of just shoot the shit with. I have like my own text group and whatnot. Yeah, I loaded up an E-Trade account. I traded my own money before I found out about prop firms, and I think I'm gonna go back to trading it a little bit. I just feel, you know what it is? I feel like I know I'll be profitable in it because how many times do I blow an account and the money like was there and I probably wouldn't do a lot of more stupid stuff I've done. Back in the day, I used to trade micros, like 3 micros was where my thing was at. So what's today? We got news for today. Fed speaker at 12:45, and that's it. U.S. trade deficit was at 8:30, and that's it. Another Fed. Susan Collins speaks at 4 p.m. and Philip Jefferson speaks at 7:30 tonight. See, I feel like I'm more of a degenerate in my personal account and my prop firm account compared to my personal account. Once I start trading my personal money, I get more. I trade smaller. I let it move around more. Good morning, Francis. I let it move around more. I trade smaller, and I'm not trying to trade all like little, I'm thinking this is going to pop type crap. I trade just the just real setups. The real deal setups is what I focus on. So these lines mean nothing because they're going to reset as soon as the market opens. This is prior day lines. So they'll go away. That's all the opening and high and lows from yesterday. I'm actually liking this quant tower. If you guys don't use quant tower, it's pretty interesting. Right before we, I'll be back in 2 seconds. I gotta clean this desk up. I'll be back in literally 2 seconds. Oh, I almost just tripped and fell. Oh, jeez. Oh, all right, here we go. Let's get everything rolling. Bum, bum, bum. Damn, they're really popping this thing. Let me just see if this is, hold on, let me just reset this real quick. Entire screen, this screen. Boom. Well, before we start, I truly hope everybody here that's on makes
700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
What a way to start it off. I need to get rid of this. Good morning, A+. What up, what up? There is a way to get rid of that. I did it last time. I don't know. If I can't find it in 2 seconds, I will just general scroll vertical default. Let's freaking roll. Let's roll. So yeah. Oh. Like I said, I'm just going to trade the open with this one account. I'm not using my other accounts. See what this looks like real quick. Starting off pretty good here already today. So I don't need to press. I wouldn't mind passing more accounts. Man, they really would they just ramp this up? 40-something points. Come on, man. Wait for me. Come on, man. Make sure I'm ready for this. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see. You guys trade in the open here, or I'm just curious how many people do it. I know some people stay away. Some people are all about it. Let's make it rain. By the way, if you have Tradeovate and you're using VWAP, this yellow line, there's a couple scripts. Make sure you scroll out because the chart will rewrite itself sometimes and move where VWAP is. Just letting you know. Script is kind of funky on Tradeovate. Crude has great moves this AM. Good morning, Fred. What is I got time to look at crude. Damn. Was there numbers out or something? That's a pretty. We dropped like a buck. Damn, crude is down 3.2% today. That's a big move. I wonder if that has to do with the whole China thing. If you didn't know, China had their press conference yesterday with dude, I don't even know how to say his name. ZI, not ZI, XI. I don't even know how to say it. But he had his conference and they talked about the China stimulus and stuff like that. The stimulus that everybody thought was coming in wasn't going to be as great as first thought. So a lot of the Chinese stocks are taking a massive hit today. They might bounce a bit. ZI, yeah, it's XI. I don't. What is it? Z-Ping or something like that. I don't know how to say his name. But I actually shorted Chinese stocks. Z. XI is the thing. But I shorted Chinese stocks yesterday. And it went against me for a little bit. And today it's about to pay. Some of them really went against me. I bought next week $100. Here's one of my accounts that I did it in. I'll show you. So if you look, I was down about 50% in these BABAs. They're next week $100 puts. I was down. That's about half, right? Half. This put spread, I was down. I don't know, what is that? Probably like 25, 20 something percent. You know, down 20% here, down. That's the thing with options. Like 10% is nothing. I knew he was doing his press conference last night, and I was kind of banking that it was going to be a sell the news event, that he would come on and it was this whole ramp into it and then just dump. And sure enough, that's how it played out. Those put spreads aren't credit. I didn't collect anything. They're just straight put spreads where I bought a put close to me and then I sold one a little bit further out. Credit spreads are like when you collect credit, where you would sell. Like a put credit spread would be where I sell a put close to me and then buy one further where you think it's going to go up. All right, let me get my freaking chart out. What the wait. I don't understand where my chart just went. Oh, fuck, man. Dude, all my shit is gone. Oh, what the fuck just happened? All my shit just is gone. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at this. I'm gonna have to look at this. Oh, I shouldn't even be fucking trading because I can't look at all. Oh, so freaking stupid. Why? I don't know why it out of nowhere just. Flatten that. Dude, everything's gone. I gotta save the template, I think. This is crazy. Well, if you're wondering how my morning was started here, boom. Boom, baby. $9:30. Well, a.m. What up, Andy? What up? What up? I'm just adding freaking my indicators because I don't know why they all just went away. Here we go. Here we go. Next trade is gonna come very soon. I'm gonna take the 5 bounce probably. EMA. Nothing like Nothing like having to set this up on the fly. Jeez. Nine, 10:30. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm supposed to be in fucking 2 of these. Dude, this has been like, oh, geez, almost didn't take me out. All right, I just added VWAP. I'm just getting my shit together right here. Sorry if I missed anybody. You can retrieve past templates. Yeah, I gotta look. I gotta save the template. I don't know how to save. I gotta look how to save the templates. Is what I need to do. That's what I really need to focus on. The Degen Breakfast Club. Pretty much, baby. Pretty much. I'm just kind of looking to see what I want to do here. Ooh, somebody, Chelsea Blanchard. Welcome to the freaking stream. Welcome, welcome. All right. Let me see what we got going on here. Let me start ripping some freaking contracts here. I still can't believe I can't believe that they messed my freaking thing up. See, the problem with having this on this screen is I got to look at this. I wouldn't mind seeing this come down to 88 here, 88, 86. Real winner would be 76. We come down to 76. I'm taking a long at 76. I already have my order in. 76 would be down here. Look at that. Right off the pivot point, it bounced. Freaking nice shot. Come on. Come on. Dump this through. Dump it. Dump it down. I got my I got my chat up here so I can look at it. Good morning, Vin. Found my channel yesterday and subbed. Welcome to the channel, bro. Welcome, welcome. I'm just trying to sling it here this morning. I'm hoping we push down to 76, and I'm about to get filled. I'll bring it over here. And as long as we hold. Are you shitting me? You're gonna do me dirty like that? Come on. I thought we were boys. I thought we were boys. Come down and fill me and then bring it back up. Although I probably would have. What up, Curtis? Are they just going to bounce this right here at the 34? I don't want to chase. I don't want to chase. That's not my trade plan. Is not to chase. Stick to the trade plan because I know I'm going to chase and then they'll drop it. Then I'll be down $500 and then, dude, that's messed up. They did that. Was that 1 point? 1 point? That's a $700 freaking 1 point. What up, Marie? I just got freaking played. Yo, I hope crude goes down, man. I'm about to lock in my home heating oil in about 3 weeks, and I need that to dump. Lock it in on a dump ski. It's Ho. I think it's Ho. That Ho has done me dirty so many times. My first trade, I started trading props. I was trading home heating oil. I can't believe they didn't fill me. I'm kind of upset. Yo, yeah. I can't believe they didn't fill me on that. That's freaking crazy. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm just going in for a quick scout. I think I got like $100 out of that. Definitely the 34 is definitely something to keep on the chart. I'm waiting for this 15-minute orb to set itself. All right, we're set. We are set. Let's see what happens. I am not opposed to taking a trade on the downside if we get to if we get down here. Kind of waiting for it to break out. I know Kellyanne said that there's no big news today, so there might be just a lot of chop. And if we end up chopping in this range, I could just play the range, which would be fine by me also. I'm just going to move it up just a freaking tad. Come on. Oh, I take that. Dude, that was $400. 400 beans. Jojo, how do you pick winners of giveaways? This is the original place where the duck races have started. If you've seen duck races around YouTube, they have started here. You can just thank me for bringing them into the prop firm world. This is the OG duck race spot. Yeah. We have the Twitter giveaway that goes on today. We're giving away 3 My Funded Future accounts. If you guys haven't joined, feel free. And those duck races will be done today after the market. We'll do it. I'll stream it live. Oh, this is some serious. This is the chop. Welcome to the chop zone. Jeez. I mean, I'm going to try it again. Why not, you know? You just kind of play in the ranges at this point. Do I want to play the range down? Possibly. Possibly. Let's see what happens when we go up there. So I don't trade any of my funded accounts for the first 15 minutes or so. Good morning, Brandy. And I'll be honest with you, being that we're just in this chop, I'm not rushing out to trade them. I have my take profit trader accounts here. That's these two. I got 150 and a 50. I got my Apex accounts, and then my volumetric funded account, which you need 5 days of $100 or more. I already did $100, so just to knock a day off, I won't trade this today. I'll just take my 1 day over and just, it is what it is. This is, when you start seeing this and there's no news, just try playing the ranges. you don't want to get caught up in buying the breakouts. Really, it does look better to the upside. Definitely looks better to the up than the down. Just looking at my positions. The old positions. All right, we're gonna freaking start ripping this back. And that didn't even make it to the 15-minute top. This top right here is the 5-minute orb. Didn't even have enough juice to go to the 15. Why I'm nervous playing the short side of this is because when we get up here, you got to assume it's going to try holding 20,100. So I feel like the downside short is kind of small compared to if we come all the way down here. The upside before you hit resistance is like 25 points. Plus, it's looking better to the up. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. I mean, I'd love to see a gap fill. I'd love to just see movement. How's that sound? I just want movement. Yeah, no, I'm with you. I don't love it. I'll buy the bottom range. I was thinking about selling up here. Do I want to sell? Come on. This is something I've been working on. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That was nice. That was very, very nice. Very nice. Up $750 in this account now. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Damn, they're just pumping it. I mean, at this point, I would want to see a 15-minute orb retest, which would be right at 16. 16 is what I'm looking for. Let me see what I can do here in some of these other accounts. Am I going to get filled? Are you going to fill me? Come on. No? Yeah, well, good job, Fred. Yo, Fred, you got that funded account now. You got that funded account. Well, needless to say, after everything, all my China trades settled today, daddy fucking cranked. Like I said, yesterday I was down 1,800 and I wasn't worried, and I made all that back plus interest today, and just keeps grinding the accounts up. Just keep grinding the accounts up. Damn. At some point, we're going to get an orb retest, and that retest will be 17 or 16, and that's where I'm looking to take my trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
My fund of view, yes, crazy. Working to take profit trades just like you. Yeah, started with Apex, also taking it slow. Not Apex, Topstep. Yo, just take it slow, man. It's the best way to do it. You don't need to make a lot of money to make a lot of money, if that makes sense. You don't need to make a lot of trades either. Like, everybody thinks you're hitting the button all day. 99% of my day is waiting, is literally just sitting here waiting, watching the candles go around, because I know my trade isn't taking a trade up here. My trade is coming back, and I'm not forced to do anything. I'm up on the day already. Like, honestly, if my day ended like this, I'm perfectly fine walking away. I'm up here. I'm up in fast track. I'm up in my funded futures. Like, I don't need to trade anymore for the whole day. So now it's just waiting for those really good setups where, the probabilities are in your favor. Especially if there's no news today. I am not a huge fan of chasing. There's nothing. The only thing I could say is what you're getting is China selling off, and you're getting the funds like a rotation. You're getting the funds rotating out of China stocks into U.S. equities. So that's the only thing I would say you're kind of looking at right now. Damn, I sold 2 AMD puts for this week, and I think that's going to cash. I feel like that's going to cash. 170s expire Friday. They're worth $300 each, and AMD's at 172. So I got a little buffer there, and time is ticking. I'm liking that trade, and I don't mind owning AMD. Don't mind owning it. Oh yeah, come on. Yeah, I like AMD. I like AMD as a hold. So, like, if I get assigned the shares, I get assigned the shares. Actually, if I get assigned the shares, my average would be 167. And I think they have earnings. They're going to have earnings coming up within the next 3 weeks or so. So, I'm not really worried about holding them. But I don't think I'm going to get assigned it. I have a feeling it stays above 170, and the options expire worthless. If the options get to like 40 cents or something, I'll probably just sell them. But That and I sold a snow put. I kind of want to start accumulating a snow position down here. October 31st. Yeah, I mean, they expire at the end of this week. So I might keep selling AMD puts into earnings. Damn, this broke the orb and just freaking took off.
Connection lost.
Connection lost. I'm waiting right now. I'm waiting for the person that says they submitted an Apex payout and they want a video.
Nobody cares.
I'm over here having a fit about my connection being lost, and it was you. Oh yeah, I don't know why though. I don't even know what it is. Is that Quant Tower? Is that Quant Tower? I don't know. It can only be Quant Tower or Ninja Trader. I don't know which one it is. Dude, if you're a short seller, you're getting turned out right now. Dude, we're all the way at this pivot point. Kind of makes me want to take a stab at it, but I'll take a stab. I will take a freaking one contract stab. This is not a funded account trade. Do not take this in a funded account. I want to see the weakness. I don't know if it'll drop. I mean, I think it can retest the 9, which would be cool. I just freaking, that was cool. Let's go. Get down. Come on, just dump it for daddy. Just a little bit. I just asking for a little bit. Give me like, what are we, 10 points, 15 points? I'm not asking for a ton here. Drop it. Oh, you little shit. I actually bought that second contract in the wrong freaking take profit trader account. Come on. Dump it for daddy. Yeah. Dude, this market's just, it's starting to freaking, I'm not liking what's going on. Let's go. Projection higher, pretty much completed, it looks like. I hope so. My account hopes so. Come on. What I don't like about this is that we're getting a consolidation up here. I don't like, oh, here, fuck, I just got off the thing. I might just take this. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm a little nervous, Nelly. You know why? I don't like that we're consolidating here. Oh, fuck, man. I didn't like that we rebroke over the freaking pivot point and we're getting close to the 9, which is like right here. That's why I took it off. In the words of Jim Dalton, they will shock you on how they can keep pushing it. Yeah, I know. That's why I took my gains. I mean, it came back, it tested the 9. Yeah, I got nervous and got out of, yeah, honestly, it ended up dropping to the 9, just how I wanted it to, but that was a nervous. It wasn't great. It wasn't great. I was actually looking for a dump, but it's kind of looking good. It's above this pivot point. I want to see consolidation for a couple more candles and then another push up. Kind of work off the MACD, work that down, and then we kind of loop back up. That's kind of what I'm looking for here. That's my game plan. Like I said, I think they're selling China and that cash is going into the US market, and this is where we're at. I am going to also, I have TGTX shares. TGTX. Can I actually write anything for this week on TGTX? Don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh. Yeah, this thing's just selling into the 9. Probably going to wrap it up and come back up. If it drops a bit better, yeah. Using yesterday's high around 185-ish as support. If it holds bullish, baby. Dude, I want to get in on this bounce. Well, put it like this. If I get in and it goes the other way, I'm just going to blame
China.
But I'm looking to take this north if it stays above the, if it gets above this pivot point again, I think we can make
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
I'm thinking about taking the rejection at 189. And my stop will be 195. So that's a tight ass stop. And tight ass stop is in the trader's manual. That's a real term. I'll just take it now. Fuck it. This is an eval. I mean, if it breaks above, it breaks above. I'm not super worried. This is pretty much where I wanted it. I kind of wanted to see this retest right here and foul is what I was looking for. I feel like if we can get a real foul, we can get a huge move down. If it breaks above, then it breaks above. I just feel like if I didn't take it, I would be pissed if it goes down and rejects. I'd be so pissed if I didn't take that trade. So I just felt like I needed to do it, but it looks like I'm getting my freaking cheeks clapped right now, and we're probably gonna get taken out. It is what it is. I want to see consolidation is what I really want to see. More than anything is I want to just see a bunch of consolidation above the pivot point. Cool. Did that just freaking do that? Man, do they just not want to push it down? It's almost like they don't want to push it down. I don't think I don't know if we're going to make new lows here. I'm just looking to see it to revert back to the 34. Um, that's pretty much what I was looking for. I don't know if it's going to. I don't think it's going to. Ooh. Starting to look good. Starting to really shape up here to be freaking real. Starting to really work this off. Starting to really work this off. I'm getting nervous. Yeah, we got to make a move within the next probably 3 candles or so, or I'm not liking this. I want to see a real freaking push because as it takes longer and longer, the 34 starts to catch up, which means to me I'm going to make less to the downside, and I'm actually just getting out of that, and I'm going to probably just freaking unload this. I honestly don't. It could go either way, and I don't like trading when it can go either way. To be honest with you, cool. It's gonna fucking go the way I wanted it to. Oh, It's just consolidating. Yo, later, Kellyanne.
And we say bye-bye.
See you later. I'll see you around. Am I going to get FOMO right now and chase this shit? I just feel like the longer it stays up here, the more we're working everything off, the more it's likely to just ramp. See, like, you're just not getting the push down that you would want. Like, you would want to see continuation. And the fact is, we're getting oversold on the one. Yo, what up, Alfred? What up? What up? You know, we're getting oversold on the one. I think this is a 150K account, so I could just fucking hold one of these. Like, this isn't gonna make or break my account.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled.
There we go. Little funded account action right there. FOMO with micros. Yeah, I mean, I want to get these take profit trader accounts over is what I really want to do. Come on. You can, yeah, you can. You know why? Because you let it move around more than you normally do. I mean, overall, we had a pretty good morning so far. I mean, we caught a trade off the bottom. We caught this breakout. I mean, overall, I mean, I'm up with that. Well, I'm not up in this freaking account, that I can tell you. But in my fast track account, I'm up a bunch. But I am about to the down volume just isn't there. Oh! Oh, okay. Okay, I just made a bunch of my money back right there. That's good. Oh, yeah. Come on. I think this is one big bull flag, to be honest with you. I think it's just flagging. We need to get over, basically over 20,200, and then you'd see probably another ramp up. Obviously, we're up big on the day, which is not great. Obviously, you don't want to be up that much because obviously you can get pullbacks. Come on. All right, looks like this is going to come back down. I mean, we get down to 120 to 116. That's the zone I would love to buy at. I mean, that would be my personal buy spot. Oh man, just kind of chopping around here. All right, guys, I'm calling it. I'm going to be back at I'm going to be back to normal time, 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just came on to trade the morning. I might do this where I just come on for about an hour, trade the morning, and then bounce. So good luck the rest of the day. I'll be hanging out in the Discord if you want to find me. And other than that, I'll see you in a couple hours again here. Sure, dude. I will do it. I will do it. I don't know if we're not doing one today because we're doing the giveaway on Twitter, but cloud bad settings. Hold on one second. Dude, you know what I wanted to try? I want to try something with you guys, actually. I got to figure out, let me see something. I'm going to try something right now. I want to see how it works. Watch this. I just want to try this real quick. I wanted to see something. I actually set it to cost. There's like points that people earn by being on the stream. I didn't even know that. I was just clicking around in the thing and I thought it was interesting. I do not know how to fully do it, but yeah, this shit's looking good. All right, so I'll leave the duck race up for 3 minutes, and then I'll shut it off. If you guys want to join now, or I will see you later on. So now is the time to join. Shutting it down at 10:29. Tin, tin, tin. Woo, made all my money back in that account. That's sweet. Sweet. I'll hang out for a little bit longer and let you guys add. If you want to join it. 2 more minutes, and then I'm playing this break. If you guys didn't notice, my orders are here. That's my game plan on this, is to play this breakout. We get over 20,200 with some conviction. I am going to be playing it to the upside. That's the goal. So on an eval, they are end of day, and then they have a daily loss limit. But it's all based on end of day. So as you make more money, all the stop losses stay down. And then once you're funded, it becomes intraday, just like Apex does. The big reason I'm pushing to get these accounts is you can do daily payouts with them. And then even if you have a funded account and you blow it, if you're still over the threshold and blow it, you still can get a payout. They'll pay you out whatever is left in the account, which is pretty cool. You know, and there's no they're running the deal. There's no activation fee right now. So basically, if you use the coupon code CoveTrader, you save 40% off, and there's no activation fee. Once you pass the eval, you go straight to a funded account. You don't have to pay anything. That's the deal that they're running currently. That's the deal that I like the best, is no activation fee, because activation fees could be like $100 and something. Oh, it seems like no one else is going to be joining. So you see my orders, you see what I'm doing. I'll be honest with you, now that the cost is virtually, so my funded futures, if you use the coupon code, it's $76. If you use the coupon code on Take Profit Trader, it's like 100. I'm talking about 50s. So it's a little bit of a difference. I like Take Profit Trader better because my funded futures has like the payout thing where you can only take out $1,200 at a time, and then you got to trade more days. Take Profit Trade also, like, there's some rules on scalping. Take Profit Trader is literally, you can do anything you want. You just can't trade news, but I can do DCA. I can trade any way I want, and they're going to pay you out daily. So the funded accounts, I would say Take Profit Trader is better than my funded futures, being that you can do daily payouts and that you can trade any way you want. It just makes more sense. But being that said, I still have a funded account here, and I don't like being all in one prop firm. I like to spread out where I'm at. You know, I like to spread out where I'm at. So, all right, guys, I'll be back at 1:32 o'clock. All right. I am going to keep trading. My trades are here. I'm hoping to smash this one on the way up, and then we'll see what happens. I do want to do
Order submitted.
buy one, and then where's 92? We'll let it sit. All right, I'm out, guys. I'll see you later on. Peace.
And we say bye-bye.